today's video by Trust Stanley. And on today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to edit a sent message on your Telegram message. Now, if you send somebody a message, you can easily edit it on Telegram, even though it's an older message. Let me show you guys how it works. Open your Telegram app. Now click on any message you have a conversation with anybody. This is the last message I sent to this person. Now I can edit that message, but let me send another message so that you guys will see how it drops. Now this is the message I just sent right now, and this is the older message I sent on the 2nd of May. Now to edit this message, all you need to do is to click and hold. Now it will display an option. You notice this pencil icon on this top section. Go ahead and click on that to edit that particular message. Now you notice you says hey. You could actually delete all of those messages and then you use a sticker just about anything you want. So there is no limit to whatever you can edit, and there is no limit to what you can add, just about any message. But the whole thing is, you are going to notice it has edited right there. So you can go ahead and edit any message just about any time on your Telegram app. It's very easy, and you can do just about that on any message apart from a sticker. Right now I just try to edit this sticker, but I will not be able to edit this particular sticker I sent to the person. But if it's an emoji, let's say it's an emoji you chose from the app, let me try to choose this and send. You can always edit your emoji that you sent on the app by editing and then selecting a different one and sending it. All you need to do is just to click and hold and edit that particular message and edit it and send to the person, and it will be cool enough. And I think this video is good enough. If it was, please smash the like button and subscribe for more video. I will see you guys on my next video. Stay safe, guys. Peace.